InSec update. Our cause is to, well, of course, you probably saw it, expose corruption. Now, to apply to help us in this fight, we are going to be helping the Anonymous. And, of course, we're going to also be helping by trying to stop the war that is going on in the Middle East. I know you might be thinking, oh, that's a long while from where we are right now. Well, what's happening over there really affects what's happening over here. Think of it this way. The Middle East is a powder keg. It has so many problems that, well, as you know, problems would act as the powder, and the barrel is almost full. Now, think of it as this. Powder keg's almost full, and the tiniest thing will blow everything sky high. Now, we can stop this if we can make sure that the Jews and, like, Palestinians, I think, stop fighting, and we can resolve this situation, split the land in half, try to do something that will make them stop fighting, because then that will really make sure that America becomes great again. Now, to apply, we will put in our Facebook in the description below. And, well, you need to create a fake virus or a harmless virus. And then you'll go into Messenger and show us through video chat what it will do, and you really just have to have a basic knowledge of creating a virus. And, well, as you know, we could be your neighbors, family, friends. We could even be that one guy that we never knew across the street. And as always, we are real. We are a legion. Join us.